If you're looking to make more money in your wedding photography business this year, don't go anywhere, because in a second, I'm going to share with you one thing I've changed in my business that has resulted in me making thousands of more dollars. Now, this change is very simple, but there is a little bit of infrastructure that you need to set up to do it. Here's what I've changed. I stopped offering pre-built collections, and I only offer customized collections going forward. I build every collection for every couple that inquires. Why do I do this? Well, one, I think people are now looking for a more personalized experience. If I want to charge more money and I want to offer a better client experience, well, I need to personalize that in some capacity, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm able to now offer my clients exactly what they want, because all I do is hear what they want, make them a package, and then they pay for exactly what they want. It's really, really easy, really, really simple. Okay. The other reason we want to do this is because I could not offer everything that I offer in one package, right? If I were to slam all of my products and all my services into one single package, nobody would buy it, because it would be 20 grand and it would include literally everything, right? Nobody wants all of that stuff. And so what I do is I allow them to choose, hey, what do you want? Tell me what you want. I'll build it for you. And so far, this has really worked to my benefit. I mean, I booked a $15,000 wedding not that long ago because I offered custom collections. The couple told me they wanted video, they wanted parent albums, they wanted some loose prints, and they wanted rehearsal dinner coverage. Well, before I offered custom collections, I never offered rehearsal dinner coverage, and I never put parent albums on any of my packages, because in the past, I had nobody who was interested in purchasing parent albums. Well, of course they weren't, because I never offered it. So you see what's happened here is I allowed my client to tell me what they wanted, and then I just made them what they wanted. You know, this personalized collection kind of goes back to like something like Chipotle versus Taco Bell for me. I think about these two fast food chains, right? I want to build my burrito. I want to build it. I want to customize it. I want to put exactly what I want to eat in that burrito. I don't really want to go to Taco Bell and just order the chicken or beef burrito off the menu and have them throw me a brown paper bag through the window, right? Like, I want to be able to customize and eat the food that I want to eat. So I customize it. I order what I want, exactly what I want, and I get exactly what I order. So getting rid of these pre-built collections will open you up to being able to offer more products, more services, ultimately be able to make more money, because clients will now be interested in purchasing the stuff that you never offered in the past. They'll be interested in adding on those parent albums. They'll be interested in adding on that rehearsal dinner coverage. They didn't even know you offered it. And now all of a sudden you're presenting them a list of, hey, what do you want? Here's all of my product services. Tell me what you want, and I'll build you a collection. And you going and building that collection is providing a better experience, a more personalized experience, and they feel valued, they feel taken care of. So how do you go about making this customized collection process? Well, there's a few steps that you need to take. First, you're gonna wanna tell them that you hand tailor every collection to them. Tell them that up front, set those expectations. Then you're gonna wanna learn exactly what they want. You can learn about this whether it's over the phone or through like an inquiry form or through some other form or something like that, okay? Just learn what they want, doesn't matter how. And then you're gonna wanna go and build a web page for them. Now, I build my web pages through Showit, all right? I just create a plus site on Showit, but you can do this with like a HoneyBook smart file or something else, all right? Any option works as long as you're creating some kind of personalized page for them. And this is important because in this page, you're gonna wanna add their name, you're gonna wanna add images from the venue that they're getting married at, and then you're gonna wanna share the collections with them that you've built. Now, I know this sounds like a lot because you're hand building collections for every single client, but I have gone and I've created a Google Sheets form, all right? And this calculator essentially allows me to just plug in exactly what they want and it calculates the price for me. So it's really, really easy and takes me no more than 5 minutes to create one of these pages for each couple that inquires. It's really, really simple. So doing that is really the first couple of steps. That's all you really need to do. And then obviously get them on the phone on a consultation call with you, talk through some of the pricing. My suggestion would be to learn exactly what they absolutely need to have, and then learn kind of what their maybes are, right? Like maybe they want an engagement session, but they're not sold on it yet. And then you can go and you can create multiple collections, one that has their essentials, exactly what they want. And then you can make one or two more like stretch collections, right? That have their maybes, right? Maybe it's the engagement session they're interested, or maybe they want a rehearsal dinner coverage, or maybe they want parent albums, and then they can compare and contrast those collections together, all right? So this is what has created thousands of more dollars for me. Again, going back to that $15,000 wedding, before I booked that wedding, if I were to have only offered them the collections, the pre-built collections, they would never have paid more than $10,000 or $11,000. All right, but because they wanted all of this extra stuff that I never offered, they were able to tell me about it, and then I was able to build that package for them. So there's a lot of power in this. Look, if you guys want me to go in full depth on this entire system, how you can go about building this, please go to the description below or in the comment and click on that link and join a waitlist. If I can get 100 people signed up on this waitlist, I will make that course for you guys, okay? So go do that. I promise you, switching to custom collections will benefit you. It will make you more money, and it will overall just make the experience better for both you and your client. Now, obviously, to make money in your business, to be able to even book people, you have to source leads first. So where do those leads come from? Where do those inquiries come from? Well, if you want to learn one way that I source these inquiries and get leads for my business, you're going to want to go and watch this video right here that explains how I do just that.